My name is Mariam Haddad. I work in SeaWorld Yas Island, Abuظبي as a guest services manager. I started my journey in 2018. I was a guest services associate in Warner Brothers World in Yas Island, Abuظبي. After that, in 2019, I went to Climb. I was promoted as a team leader. In 2021, I moved into Warner Brothers again as a team leader because I wanted to see more of my abilities, having it in a bigger place and a bigger scope, a bigger team. In that way, I have also shined, and I went to World as a security assistant manager. After that, with the pre-opening of SeaWorld, I moved here as a SeaWorld Yas Island Abuظbي guest services manager. That was my journey in Miral. One of the most important goals that I have is to teach and to oversee the youth who are coming and the young generation about the tourism industry. My favorite Miral experience is Warner Brothers World Yas Island Abuظbي because it holds so many memories to me. Our childhood, the superheroes, everything that we grew up watching and looking, and then when you go there, it's everything that you have imagined, everything that we have lived since we were little kids.